Sam was more than just a doctor. He was a ray of sunshine in a world full of sickness and pain. Every day, he went to work with a smile on his face, ready to heal the broken bodies that crossed his path. His eyes sparkled with kindness, and his gentle voice soothed the fears of his patients. As soon as he walked into the hospital, children's faces lit up with excitement. They knew they were in for a treat when Dr. Sam was around. He had a special fondness for kids, and they could tell. He always made time to play with them, ask about their favorite toys, and even give out stickers to brighten their day. Sam's patients adored him, but his colleagues admired him just as much. They marveled at how he could make even the most difficult cases seem manageable, how he could turn a hospital bed into a sanctuary of hope and healing. Sam's smile was contagious. It seemed to spread throughout the entire hospital, infecting everyone with a sense of optimism and faith in the power of medicine. One day, a young girl named Lily was brought to the emergency room, struggling to breathe. Her parents were beside themselves with worry, but Sam's calm demeanor immediately put them at ease. He examined Lily with gentle hands and a compassionate heart, explaining every step of her treatment in a way that made sense to her frightened little mind. As the hours ticked by, Sam continued to watch over Lily, his eyes never leaving hers as he monitored her progress with intense focus and care. Slowly but surely, Lily began to recover, thanks to Sam's skilled treatment and unwavering devotion. When she was finally well enough to go home, her parents thanked Sam profusely, tears of gratitude streaming down their faces. Sam smiled, hugging them tightly as he whispered words of encouragement in their ears. As the day came to a close, Sam walked out of the hospital with his head held high, feeling proud of the work he had done and the lives he had touched. He knew that he was more than just a doctor. He was a guardian of hope, a beacon of light in a world filled with darkness and despair. And as he walked home, smiling all the way, he knew that he would continue to do everything in his power to make the world a better place, one patient at a time. What sets Dr. Sam apart from other doctors? Dr. Sam's approach to medicine is unique because of his kindness, compassion, and focus on hope and healing. He takes the time to listen to his patients, explain their treatments in a way they can understand, and offers words of encouragement and support. How does Dr. Sam make children feel better during medical procedures? Dr. Sam has a special fondness for children and goes out of his way to make them feel comfortable and cared for. He plays with them, asks about their favorite toys, and gives them stickers to brighten their day. What inspires hope in Dr. Sam's patients? Dr. Sam inspires hope in his patients by believing in the power of medicine to heal and transform lives. He never gives up on difficult cases, and his positive attitude and gentle demeanor instill confidence and faith in his patients. How does Dr. Sam approach treating children versus adults? Dr. Sam's approach to treating children is unique because he takes the time to play with them and make them feel comfortable, whereas his approach to treating adults may be more focused on explaining their treatments in a way they can understand and offering words of encouragement. What drives Dr. Sam's passion for medicine? Dr. Sam's passion for medicine is driven by his desire to make the world a better place, one patient at a time. He believes that every person he treats is a unique and precious individual who deserves his full attention and care.